Shit. What is it? I try. What's up?
Where you been?
Huh?
Where you been? I ain't seen you out.
I've been riding just late. I didn't ride yesterday. I got my girlfriend a Kawasaki Z last night. Got a nice one, 2,000 bucks. So I was doing all that.
Do you see Chandler's new whip?
What the? What's up with all these people getting new bikes?
He's like, well, I'll sell it to you.
All these new bikes. My bike's old as compared to all these.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna buy another one.
I traded in my 6 for this.
Oh, really?
My 10 had a more mafia to it.
Bro.
Yeah.
That's not his.
They're fucking ass.
Well, no, I still want to look at the Aprilia. That's crazy. Them Ducatis, man. Sick of seeing these fast Italian bikes.
What's up, YouTube?
Yo, let's talk about the cars in the lot too. We got the BMW, we got the new WRX, we got this slam car over here. Forester, newer Forester.
How's it going, sir?
How's it going?
Good. Reason you got stopped along with your buddy is accelerating at a high rate of speed.
Oh, okay.
I watched both of you guys.
I was gonna say I have a.
Okay. Nope, not that. Okay. Careless driving.
Gotcha.
And speeding. If I can go ahead and get your driver's license, registration, proof insurance on the bike, please.
Gotcha.
That was you guys that I saw cooking at like 61 down Ridge a little bit earlier also.
I just got off work. I'm oil field.
Okay.
I just got off.
Can you get all of his driver's license, insurance, and all that from him? Dispatch 196, yes,
I got a question for you.
Yeah.
It's up to debate. So I've heard that you can technically do wheelies and it doesn't count as uncontrolled driving if your butt doesn't leave the seat. Really?
Dispatch 186, everything's still working. Yeah, it'd still be something we can write a ticket for.
What if it's a low?
Huh?
What if it's low?
Like an accident?
No, like it'd be on purpose.
I mean, I guess it depends on the cop, really.
Okay. That's kind of what I heard.
Yeah. But yes, we can still write a ticket.
Okay. What's the verdict?
Huh?
What's the verdict?
Oh, he's coming. I think you're each gonna get a ticket.
How much?
Oh. I didn't write him.
Oh.
I don't know what he wrote.
What's your deal, man? Why didn't you write them?
I didn't make the traffic stop.
You don't want to do paperwork?
I just pulled up later.
You just don't want to do paperwork. I get it.
I've already picked up some of that, so. Unfortunately, in this job, you can't avoid it.
Yeah. Huh? I know.
That's crazy, really. Perfect driving.
I've never gotten a ticket before while driving. I've been pulled over and I've been in accidents, but they were all by myself. Wow. It's a Ducati. Dang Italians making fast bikes and shit.